Hey, what's up YouTube? Hey, in this video, I'm gonna install these Goldstrike black grips. I've completed a lot of the Goldstrike accessories for this particular bike. The only thing remains is to put these Goldstrike grips on. It's gonna be very simple. We need to take off these Phillips screws on the end of these weights on each side of the handlebars. Let's open up the Goldstrike part number 57002. Everything you need is going to come in the package with your right and your left grip. I'm going to set that to the side. We got a right side and we have a left side. Okay, so we should have some screws that comes in the package. Got a package of screws. Be sure to keep up with those. I'm using a 2.5 millimeter. We're going to sit those screws over to the side, and we got some double-sided tape. We got to peel it and stick it. Okay, so we got to clean the area real good. We need to take out these weights using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm holding the weight, turning the screw. Okay, save these for later. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Holding that weight or turning the Phillips screw using a large Phillips screwdriver. The next very important step, you want to clean these grips real good. Get any oil and grease, because grease is in your hands, so you want to just get some and degrease this really good. I like to use alcohol. If you want, you could take some Dawn dishwashing liquid, clean it, wipe it down real good, let it dry. Okay, I generally just take some alcohol and clean the grips real good before I apply the adhesive. I like to take some alcohol and clean the grips. You want to get all of that oil and debris from off of the grips. You know, we have oils in our hands, and we just want to clean this area real good. And I use alcohol. You could actually take a heat gun clean those grips real good. Anytime I apply adhesive, I like to just take my heat gun, heat up the area where I'm going to stick the double-sided tape. So while that's drying, basically what we're going to do, these grips are like they're a clamshell. And on the back, you kind of lock this into place, and you're going to put one of those little screws here on that little cap on the end. Okay, but what we're going to have to do, inside of the grips is a couple little spots where you got here on the front for threads. So you got 2 screws for each grip. That's a total of 4 screws through the grips, and then 1 screw on the end. my rubber. Grip exactly where you want it, where it's going to feel comfortable in your hands. Spin it till it locks into place. So you basically want to do a dry fit. Just put, like in this case, I got the word Goldstrike face in the rider. Now I can peel the rubber to access those threads. And I don't want to peel it all the way, just enough to get it open. And I'm just going to put these 2 screws back to the top. Careful not to drop them. And that's going to clamshell the grips back down to the bike. So a total of three of these little screws for each grip. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Okay, the screws are tight. Now I can put the rubber back down in the grip. Now that's nice and tight. Got the word Goldstrike here in the front, and the grips feel really good in the rider's hand. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So I'm gonna put my grip on. There's the threads, and then we're going to open it up once we get it on the bike. You want it to feel good in your hands, so just kind of do a dry fit. Yeah, that feels pretty good. You want to make sure that your fingertips is not on that metal. So I like to bring my metal kind of at the top at an angle, and that way my hands are holding the actual rubber. I'm feeling the rubber, not the metal that's on the grips. I got it clamshelled in. Next I can take my bar end weight. Take my 2.5 millimeter, and we're just going to screw those in. peel that rubber a little bit. Just peel it back a little bit where you can see the threads. Take your screw. Squeeze them together like a clamshell. You want to tighten down those 2.5 millimeter bolts. And you make it take a little flat screwdriver and tuck that little rubber back in there. Being careful not to scratch your grips. Sit on the bike and just see how it feels. Perfect, perfect. So when you're sitting on the bike, the metal across the top should be over your hands, maybe in line with your knuckles, maybe just in front of the knuckle. And now your fingertips are feeling rubber, okay? And that's gonna give you a good feel. It's gonna feel a lot better than those original grips. Oh yeah, that's really nice. So this is how I installed the Goldstrike grips to a new style Honda Goldwing. This will apply to Goldwings 2018 through 2026 as of this video. So I have tons of Goldstrike videos. Be sure to check my library. I walk you through how to install pretty much 99% of all of the Goldstrike products on their website. So check out the Caliente YouTube channel. It'll walk you through all of your Goldstrike installation instructions. So anyway, this is gonna complete my video. If you guys have any questions or any comments, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys a little bit later out here in the Caliente garage.